Hello, welcome back to my channel. And today I thought I would shoot this video and share with you guys 5 of the most important healthy lifestyle tips that I like to follow. And when I follow these tips on everyday basis, I feel I'm feeling on top of the world. And when I don't follow any one of them, I feel my life takes a downward turn. So my first important tip is meditate, meditate, meditate. I find that meditation is a super important, it's a super important tool in our daily lives, because meditation has many benefits, and most of all, meditation helps you to keep on track of things that you wish to accomplish. If you're a very ambitious person, or even if you're not very ambitious person, in both scenarios balance is the key, and to attain that balance, meditation is the answer. Let's say if you're not too ambitious, then you can meditate on the things that would allow you to balance your energy and focus on things which are meaningful, and start paying attention to create something valuable and meaningful out of the things you love to do. Or if you're too ambitious, then also meditation allows you to calm down, to cool down, to balance yourself. Or if you're stuck in some places in life, then also meditation is a very important tool that will help you to rise above your that fixed, static, sticky space and start floating with the flow. Your energy will take a new direction, a new turn every time you meditate. Meditation is very powerful, but you need to learn meditation. There are various types of meditations available. If you would like to know about the different kinds of meditations, do let me know in the comment section, and I would make one video. And because there's no one meditation for everybody, and one meditation is not suitable for everyone as well. You have to take up the meditation that suits you, that you like doing. There are multiple meditations, different styles of meditation that you can take up. There is a mindfulness meditation, there is a concentration, that transcendental meditation, there is a meditation in the form open eye meditation, then there is a meditation in which you can just focus on your daily actions, that is more like a mindfulness. Or you can do creative visualization as a form of meditation. It depends upon your goal and purpose. Let's say you want to achieve something, so I think creative visualization is a very important meditation to help you achieve your goals, or to bring that law of attraction start working in your life. If you're looking for more peace and more stress reduction, then whole body, that mindfulness stress reduction exercise is very good, where you pay attention to each part of your body and try to relax it. So there are multiple streams of meditation. One style doesn't suit all. You have to try different things and see what you like doing the most, and stick with that style of meditation. So meditation is like a super brain food. It will help your brain to work to its optimal level, and most of all, your brain can work at its optimal level and be productive when the stress factors begin to reduce in your life. The stress, we're always surrounded by stress, there's no doubt about that, but it is how you train your brain to respond to that stress and not react to that stress. That is the most important thing to live a life of well-being, or at least try to work in the direction that would bring more well-being in your life. So that is my first important super duper tip to have a healthy lifestyle. Now I'll come to my second tip. The second tip is drink lots of water every day. Yeah, I know it's not easy to inculcate that habit, and I struggle a lot with that. It's easy for me, especially now as I'm becoming more aware that I need to drink more water. So it's easy for me if I'm working on a desk the whole day. On those days, it's all right. I can keep a water bottle on my desk and keep filling it up 2-3 times. Let's say I keep 1 liter water bottle. You just have to fill it up twice to have your daily intake of 2 to 3 liters of water. So hydrating your skin is very important. But if you're on the go, and it's not easy to form a new habit, I just want to bring to your attention, it's not easy to form a new habit, but it is a possibility, and it is very much possible. And especially if you're going into a zone of awareness where you want to live a healthy lifestyle, then definitely you have to give a repetitive suggestions to yourself and prepare your mind to take an action, and slowly keep increasing the frequency of that action unless it becomes second nature to you. So if you're traveling a lot, then try to keep those smaller bottles that are available and keep replenishing them with water throughout the day. So at least something is better than nothing. So start taking that action. Drink loads of water. Water is good for your organs, it's good for your skin, especially for ladies who are looking to enhance their looks and have a beautiful skin. It's good for your tone and texture of your skin, especially your organs. They need water. 90% of our body, it is made up of water. So water is a very essential ingredient that often miss out during our day. So my second important tip is drink loads of water. Hydrate your skin, hydrate your organs, hydrate your brain, and have a very nourishing life ahead. Now my third important tip that is also important to live a very healthy and meaningful lifestyle is to have a healthy breakfast each day. Just ask yourself, what kind of breakfast are you eating each day? It's important that breakfast, our first meal, we must eat something in the morning, and what you put in your body, it must be nutritious, like oats with some fresh fruits, or a smoothie with strawberries and oats, or some protein like eggs, or whatever is your lifestyle, whatever are your eating preferences. Try to do your research and figure out what is called a healthy breakfast, and what are you eating right now. So start inculcating. There are lots of videos, there's lots of information on the net that will inform you what it means to eat healthy the very first meal of the day. So I personally like to eat, I'm very fond of eating oats because it suits my lifestyle. I really don't have to go into those long cooking hours of preparing those elaborate breakfasts. I like to just cook oats and put some fruits and some honey, and that I'm good to go. I don't mind having oats 3 to 4 times a week, or sometimes I like to have eggs. So that's my breakfast with some cup of tea or a milk or a shake or a smoothie. So I'm good to go with that. Whatever is your lifestyle, start asking yourself the questions, are you eating a healthy breakfast? So that is my second most important tip. Eating healthy breakfast is important. It will give you that flow of energy that will pull you through the day with more enthusiasm and lightness in your system. The third important lifestyle tip that I would like to share with you guys is having a good night's sleep. Having a good night, 6 to 8 hours of sleep, is very essential to help your organs heal and replenish themselves for the next day. So good night's sleep has a load more benefits for your emotional health, for your mental health, for your beauty, for your for feeling more robust in your life as you get older. I think sleep is very important. On the days when I don't get enough sleep, I find myself to be very grumpy, moody, and I just keep I feel irritated, and I feel when will it be time for me to sleep again at night. So I just feel like I did not lived my day fully. I did not lived my day with the kind of enthusiasm and energy that I would very much like to live with. So it just leaves me drained. It just leaves me having no energy. I'm kind of very moody and irritated, and I'm just waiting for the to go to bed that day so that I could complete my 7 to 8 hours of sleep and wake up next day more renewed, rejuvenated. And as I think I'm getting older, I'm realizing the value of having enough sleep in my life. So it's like with as my awareness is increasing, I think I am kind of putting myself in that discipline that I must sleep, though I do struggle at times because it's not easy to form the new habits, but I am on the right path. I'm trying, and I want to reach there where I'm very consistent with my sleeping habits and sleep right on time and wake up right on time. I think it's very good for our bodies if we can put our bodies into the right cycle of sleep and wake up. We're doing too much good to ourselves, and I think that's very important that we go in that discipline of having 6 to 8 hours of sleep and try to follow a pattern and rhythm on the times that we sleep and wake up. Now I come to my fourth not fourth, I think it's fifth. Yeah, it's the last most important lifestyle tip is how we pull through challenges during the day. We all have challenging situations. We all have like moments when we are feeling down, or we are faced with a situation that is beyond our levels of dealing with them in the efficient, positive, happy ways. So I think learning to deal with challenges with a more positive mind states, having that positive motivation to be able to see opportunity in every challenge, is a skill we can train our brain into. And mind you, it's only a skill. There's nothing miraculous about it, or there's nothing ridiculous about it. It is only a skill that each one of us can train ourselves to deal with, and it's a lifelong learning, and each day is an opportunity that universe provides us with to practice the skills, to evolve ourselves as humans, and to evolve our abilities, and to connect with our more spiritual sides, to connect with our more powerful states of being, and try to deal with challenges with as much positive motivation and as much gratitude and as much loving thoughts and compassion as possible. So practicing self-compassion in the challenging times, I feel it can really work as a wonderful, wonderful medicine for our, not only for our body, but for our minds and our emotions. It can lead us to more happiness, it can lead us to more well-being, and most of all, it can make us better human beings, because when we begin to see the opportunity in the challenges, I believe that we tend to respond more instead of reacting to people and situations around us in the negative ways, because most of the times we are very reactive. We are living in the autopilot state of defense, where our survival brain begins to function whenever we faced with challenge, or whenever we face a threat from the other person or situation. We tend to react. We try to safeguard ourselves instead of going into that optimal brain state where we can holistically look at the whole situation and try to respond to it with more compassion, try to respond to it with more forgiveness and gratitude. So positive affirmations, give yourself lots of positive affirmations in the times of challenge. Sit down, meditate, and try to connect with that challenge as an opportunity. Send loving thoughts to it. I think it really helps. It works wonders, and it is a skill that you need to practice over the time, and you can do it well. I'm really confident, just as I'm confident about myself, and as I practice it, I feel like I'm developing that brain muscle in me that is helping me to pull through any situation, or any situation that was earlier I felt helpless in, with more power, with more opportunity, with more positivity. So guys, these are my 5 tips. I hope you enjoyed listening to me. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, and do leave the comments in the comment section below. What kind of videos would you like to see? If you would like to see a video on different types of and styles of meditation, do let me know in the comment section. I will think of making that video as well. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to hit the share button, and have a great day. Have a healthy day ahead. See you all. Thank you so much. Bye bye.